In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Airtable. This process is straightforward and essential for maintaining the security of your account, so let's dive right in. First, if you're not already on the Airtable homepage, go ahead and navigate there. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the top right corner. You should see your profile icon there. Give that a click. This is where you can manage your account settings, including updating your password. Now that you're in your profile section, look for the option labeled Account. Clicking on this will bring you to a new screen specifically designed for managing all of your account details. It's a good practice to check this area regularly to ensure everything is up to date and secure. Next, you'll want to find the option to Update Password. This step is crucial as it directs you to where you can input your new password. Before proceeding, ensure your new password is strong and unique. A good rule of thumb is to use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to create a password that's both difficult to guess and easy for you to remember. Once you're ready, go ahead and type in your new password in the designated field. Remember, it's always a good idea to avoid using passwords that are easily associated with you, like significant dates or common words. Make it something that only you would know. After entering your new password, you'll need to confirm by entering your current password. This extra step is a security measure to ensure that it is indeed you making these changes. Double-check for any typing errors to prevent any inconvenience in accessing your account later. Finally, once both your current and new passwords have been entered, click on Save New Password to complete the process. Take a moment to ensure all the details are correct before clicking Save. A confirmation notification should appear, indicating that your password update was successful. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your password. Regularly changing your passwords and ensuring they are secure is an important habit for protecting your online accounts. This process doesn't take much time, but the security it provides is invaluable. If you ever need to go through this process again, feel free to revisit this video for guidance. Thanks for watching today, and I hope you found this instructional helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and as always, stay safe online.